Welcome back to Adventure 4x4 Garage. The 2025 Toyota Downward Spiral, an SUV that has a lot to prove in an increasingly competitive market. Toyota has built a reputation for reliability, but with so many strong contenders out there, does this model live up to expectations or fall short? Let's dive into the exterior, performance, interior, and pricing to find out. Starting with the exterior, the design feels uninspired. Toyota seems to have played it safe once again, sticking to a familiar look that doesn't push any boundaries. The front grille is oversized, trying to give it an aggressive presence, but it ends up feeling forced rather than stylish. The headlights are sleek but lack any real innovation, and the body lines don't do much to give it a bold or modern stance. The rear design is just as underwhelming, with taillights that look almost identical to previous models. The wheels are standard and don't add much to the overall aesthetics. While Toyota isn't known for taking big risks in design, this SUV feels like it's stuck in the past rather than setting any trends. Under the hood, performance is where things really start to show signs of that downward spiral. The base model comes with a engine spec that produces horsepower and torque, which is fine on paper but doesn't translate into an exciting drive. Acceleration feels sluggish, especially when compared to competitors offering turbocharged or hybrid options. The transmission isn't as responsive as it should be, making highway merging and overtaking a bit of a struggle. The handling is soft, which is good for comfort but takes away any sense of engagement. Steering lacks feedback, and while the suspension does a decent job of absorbing bumps, it doesn't inspire confidence in corners. Fuel efficiency is decent, but with newer EV and hybrid options from other brands offering better performance and economy, the downward spiral starts to feel outdated. Inside, the interior doesn't do much to impress either. Toyota has always focused on practicality, but the materials used in this cabin feel cheap for the price point. There's a lot of hard plastic, and while the layout is functional, it lacks the premium feel that many competitors now offer. The infotainment system comes with a screen-size display, but the software feels dated, and responsiveness isn't great. The seats are comfortable, and space is adequate, but there's nothing particularly exciting or innovative here. Toyota needed to step up, but instead, this interior feels like an afterthought. The pricing starts at $20-30, and while Toyota's reliability might still attract buyers, it's hard to justify the cost when competitors offer better features, tech, and performance for the same or even lower prices. Toyota is relying on brand loyalty, but with SUVs getting better every year, that might not be enough. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you consider this SUV? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.